What's up, everybody? It's Mike Tech Audio. Just like from before, I bought a speaker from Lazada. This was a JBL Charge Extreme Edition, which sounds very crappy, and it's much more expensive. So I got a refund from them after I returned the item and shipped it to them, which is free of charge to LBC, like drop off. Then after I got the refund in my Lazada wallet, I bought the W King S18 Bluetooth speaker. It's more likely an outdoor waterproof wireless speaker. It has a rating of IPX7, which is really good. It's waterproof, just like the JBL Charge 3, and it's also shockproof, which you can actually just don't care less if it falls. Also, it's very common to find these speakers, cheap speakers, here in the Philippines, not in any stores, but you can find this online. Many people buy this because it got this nice bass also. Just like from I heard from the S20 version of this one, which is a lot bigger, it sounds really good, and it's very durable and handy. So let's get started with the unboxing. Stop the chit chats. Let's get this open. So the box is mostly made with plastic and some nice print here. I don't know if you can see that. It's wireless, microphone, FM radio, so on and so forth. It has 2000 milliamps of battery, 5 watts. From some reviews on the internet, this is just a mono speaker, so it only has one driver for this, 5 watts, and it's 4 ohms. It's rated at IPX7 for waterproof. It's drop proof. Why not they just put their IPX something, 2 numbers, just to make it shock proof and waterproof at the same time. It's a bicycle speaker. Yes, you can buy a camera or GoPro mount for your bicycle, which you can I don't know, yeah, here, where you can mount it from the stand from a camera or tripod. Then working time is 10 to 12 hours. So this is a it varies on time. It varies on the volume and your music also. So it's also promising to have 10 to 12 hours. Also, it has FM radio, which is also good. Here in the Philippines, we really need that in case you don't want to use your Bluetooth or an SD card function at the side. So let's get started and get this speaker out. So mostly this is just a covering. Here's the speaker. Ooh, it's kind of hard. Oh, here we go. Plastic, all plastic. So for my impression, it's nice. The speaker grills with this X mark, more like an extreme thing. Here's the USB and auxiliary port. So we have the charging port here, the micro USB, sorry, I thought I was about to say USB Type C. We have the auxiliary port here, the micro SD card function. Most China speakers do have that. Even some do have the SD card, which is, well, everyone uses that anymore except for DSLRs. But for those phones, mostly there are feature phones, they can't use much with the Bluetooth settings. Mostly if I connect a feature phone to this one with our local brands, it sounds very crappy unless it's Nokia or Samsung feature phones. So we'll have to take out the SD cards and plug it inside here. So this cap here is meant for waterproofing. It has kind of smooth like rubber, plastic. They have the screws here. Yeah, pretty much everything. We have this strap for carrying this speaker. We have the power button, volume down, play and pause with calls, and volume up. We have the mic indicator here. It has a hole. Here is for the lights. Well, that's everything much about it. If I turn it on this one, you have to long press this one. If you want to switch between TF card, auxiliary, or FM radio, just press shortly. This speaker doesn't work like any other Bluetooth speakers. You need to press shortly for volume, and for the FM radio or from your phone Bluetooth, you need to long press for next, long press for minus for back. We have long press also for calls, and for play and pause, just short press. So let's turn this on. Nice tones. I don't know if you can see, there's only one speaker here. I thought it's two. There's one in here, and it's connected to my phone. Great. Not like the JBL Charge 3 Extreme Edition, which takes so long to connect. This one, like the Sony XP30, it connects fast. Good. And a oval shape here for passive radiator. Problem is that when you go to high volumes, it sounds distorted. At the same time, it vibrates. So better put this in some places where the rubber feet can hold the speaker. So let's start playing some music. So I'll start around 50%. So, oh wait, before that, let's see what's inside this box. I'm sorry, I forgot. So, how to open this? Here. So we have here the manuals for the speaker, and pretty much else everything, the USB charging cables and the auxiliary jacks. So let's put this back in, and let's continue our sound test for this speaker. Unfortunately, I don't have my XP30 right now because I let it borrow from my friend. So maybe in the next video, I'll show you the difference between the two. So let's get started. Make sure this is full already. So it's very quiet for this speaker to sound at 50% volume. So if you want to benefit the most, you need to go around 80 to 100%. So let's go 80%. Let's go 100%. It vibrates ridiculously. There's a lot of vibrations in the speaker. So I made an equalization tuning. So I made this one because it's so muddy with all its bass. So all of the bass 60 Hertz is down, and everything is so much flat. So let's test back the track again. It sounds a bit better already without so much bass. It's more clear and less distortion. Well, there you have it.
Shaka